how to change the color of an imported logo or image. So if you want to change the color of an imported logo or image, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is simply open up your browser, and once you open up your browser, you will see this type of information. Now, when you go to canva.com, there's a certain image or even the logo, right? So let's say you want to change the color for it. We have to try to manipulate the color using the filters. So go to edit image after you select that image, and you can try to go to adjust. Here you can choose the temperatures right here, right? So you can convert this to a very gray or very warm color depending on what you want. And you can add some tint if you want to. You can also increase or decrease the brightness and add more contrast to it. Just as you play along with it, the color is going to get changed automatically. If you decided you want to reset it, you can click on reset adjustments right here if you want to reset that as well. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in the next video.